नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल शिक्षा सखा पर। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ क्लास 5 माई बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश का लेसन 12। लेसन का नाम है द अनलकी फेस। इस वीडियो में हम इस पार्ट को पढ़ेंगे, इसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेट, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको लेसन 11 द 3 क्राइज पार्ट को पढ़ाया था, उसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेट, क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाए थे। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाएं। मैंने अपने चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में सब्जेक्ट वाइज लिस्ट डाली है। आप जिस भी चैनल के लेसन को देखना चाहते हैं मेरे चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। लेसन 12 द अनलकी फेस। प्री रीडिंग करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम इस पिक्चर में देखिए, एक बिल्ली भाग रही है और एक आदमी उसके पीछे पीछे जा रहा है। तो सबसे पहले हम करेंगे इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर। व्हाई डू यू थिंक द मैन लुक्स एंग्री? इसका आंसर है बिकॉज फॉर ए सुपर सिचुएशन मैन ए कैट क्रॉसिंग हिज वे इज ए बैड ओमेन। Number 2, if you were in the man position, how would you react? Answer, I would have gone my way because I do not believe in super situations. 3, have you ever heard lucky unlucky things? If yes, can you name these lucky and unlucky things actions? इसका आंसर है yes. Lucky things oblique actions are seen a cow, a milkman, a bucket full of water, saint, married lady at doorstep. Unlucky things and actions are seeing an empty pitcher on the way, sitting of a crow on one's head, putting a coat or broom upside down. अब हम इस पार्ट की रीडिंग करेंगे। There lived a merchant called Hira Chand in Delhi. It was said that anyone who saw his face early in the morning would go without food that day. Akbar heard about Hira Chand. Hira Chand was asked to him. Akbar wants to know whether the story about Hira Chand was true. The next day, Akbar was on his way to dining room when Hira Chand was brought to him. At the same time, a messenger came to say that the queen was ill. Akbar felt Hira Chand and spent the whole morning with his sick wife. By the time he returned to the dining room, his meal was cold. He ordered a fresh meal. It took so long to get the meal ready that he began to feel sick. The royal doctor was sent for. The doctor said to Akbar, "Please take rest and not eat anything for the day. This will help the cramps go away." "But I have not eaten anything yet," said Akbar. "But bad luck," said the doctor. "Whose face did you see this morning?" "Hira Chand's face," said Akbar. "I shall have him put to death because he has made me suffer." This news reached Hira Chand. Hira Chand was shocked to hear this and he fell on the emperor's feet and begged for mercy. "How can my wife and children live without me?" he pleaded to Akbar, but Akbar would not listen to any word that Hira Chand uttered. The guard was summoned and Hira Chand was immediately dragged off the prison. Poor Hira Chand wailed aloud. Begged the guard to find a way to set him free. "I cannot think of anything that I can do," said the guard, who felt very sorry for Hira Chand. "If the emperor find out that I have disobeyed his order, I will be punished too." Suddenly the guard had an idea. "Let's call Birbal," he said. "He is the only one who can save you." Hira Chand told Birbal what had happened. Birbal consoled him, saying, "Do what I tell you and you will be saved." It was time for Hira Chand to go to the block. The executioner asked him if he wanted anything as his last wish. "I would like to see the emperor," said Hira Chand. When Akbar came, Hira Chand said, "Your Majesty, is it true that you saw my face and did not eat anything for the day? Yes, Akbar. Your Majesty, said Hirachand, consider my fate, which is worse than yours. I saw your face and I have to die. Someone has taught you to say this, said Akbar, guessing at once who it was. Impossible, said Hirachand. I do not know anyone here. Perhaps you do not know, but you did not think of this plan yourself, did you? Asked Akbar. You must have met Birbal. Hirachand confessed that he had met Birbal. Birbal has saved me from killing on an innocent man, said Akbar, and sent Hirachand always with gifts. अब हम इस पाठ की हिंदी करेंगे। दिल्ली में हीराचंद नाम का एक व्यापारी रहता था। कहा जाता था कि जो कोई भी सुबह सुबह उसका चेहरा देख लेता था वह उस दिन बिना भोजन के रहता था। अकबर को हीराचंद के बारे में पता चला। हीराचंद को उससे मिलने के लिए बुलाया गया। अकबर जानना चाहता था कि हीराचंद के बारे में कहानी सच है। अगले दिन अकबर भोजन कक्ष की ओर जा रहा था, तभी हीराचंद को उसके पास लाया गया। उसी समय एक दूत आया और उसने बताया कि हीराचंद को उसके सामने लाया गया है। रानी बीमार थी। अकबर ने हीराचंद को छोड़ दिया और पूरी सुबह अपनी पत्नी के साथ बिताई। जब तक वह भोजन कक्ष में लौटा, उसका भोजन ठंडा हो चुका था। उसने ताज़ा भोजन बनाने का आदेश दिया। भोजन तैयार होने में इतना समय लगा कि उसे बीमार महसूस होने लगा। शाही डॉक्टर को बुलाया गया। डॉक्टर ने अकबर से कहा, कृपया आराम करें और आज कुछ ना खाएं, इससे ऐंठन दूर हो जाएगी। अकबर ने कहा, लेकिन मैंने अभी तक कुछ खाया ही नहीं है। दुर्भाग्य, डॉक्टर ने कहा, आज सुबह तुमने किसका चेहरा देखा? अकबर ने कहा, हीराचंद का चेहरा। मैं उसे मौत की सज़ा दिलवाऊंगा क्योंकि उसने मुझे तकलीफ़ दी है। यह खबर हीराचंद तक पहुंची। यह सुनकर हीराचंद को बहुत धक्का लगा और वह बादशाह के पैरों पर गिरकर दया की भीख मांगने लगा। उसने अकबर से विनती की, मेरे बीवी बच्चे मेरे बिना कैसे रह सकते हैं? लेकिन अकबर ने हीराचंद की एक भी बात नहीं सुनी। पहरेदारों को बुलाया गया और हीराचंद को तुरंत जेल में घसीटा गया। बेचारा हीराचंद जोर जोर से रोने लगा और गार्ड से विनती करने लगा कि उसे मुक्त करने का कोई रास्ता खोजो। मैं कुछ भी नहीं सोच सकता, जो मैं कर सकता हूँ, गार्ड ने कहा, जिसे हीराचंद के लिए बहुत दुख हुआ। अगर बादशाह को पता चला कि मैंने उनके आदेशों की अवहेलना की है तो सज़ा मुझे भी मिलेगी। अचानक पहरेदार को एक विचार सूझा। उसने कहा, चलो बीरबल को बुलाते हैं, वही तुम्हें बचा सकते हैं। हीराचंद ने बीरबल को सारी बात सुनाई। बीरबल ने उसे सांत्वना देते हुए कहा, मैं जो कहता हूँ वही करो, तुम बच जाओगे। हीराचंद के लिए नाके पर जाने का समय हो गया था। जल्लाद ने उससे पूछा, क्या वह अपनी अंतिम इच्छा के रूप में कुछ चाहता है? तो उसने कहा, मैं बादशाह से मिलना चाहता हूँ। हीराचंद ने कहा। जब अकबर आया तो हीराचंद ने कहा, महाराज, क्या सच है कि आपने मेरा चेहरा देखा और दिन भर कुछ नहीं खाया? हाँ, अकबर ने कहा। महाराज, हीराचंद बोला, मेरी किस्मत तो आपसे भी ज़्यादा बदतर है। मैंने आपका चेहरा देखा और मुझे मरना ही है। किसी ने तुम्हें यह कहना सिखाया है? अकबर ने तुरंत अनुमान लगाते हुए कहा। असंभव, हीराचंद बोला, मैं यहाँ किसी को नहीं जानता। शायद तुम्हें पता नहीं, लेकिन यह योजना तुमने खुद सोची नहीं थी, है ना? अकबर ने पूछा, तुम बीरबल से ज़रूर मिले होगे। हीराचंद ने कबूल किया कि उसकी मुलाकात बीरबल से हुई थी। अकबर ने कहा, बीरबल ने मुझे एक निर्दोष व्यक्ति की हत्या से बचाया है, और हीराचंद को उपहार देकर विदा किया। यहाँ पर मैंने हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द लेसन की हुई है। अगर आप करना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो को रोककर हिंदी लिख सकते हैं। अब हम इसके वर्ड मीनिंग करते हैं। क्रैम्प्स, सडन स्ट्रॉन्ग मस्कुलर पेन यानी जकड़न या खिंचाव। वेल्ड, क्राइड, चिल्लाया। शॉक्ड, लुक्ड सैड और अपसेट, अचंभित या हैरान। कंसोल्ड, मेड फील्स लेस सैड, सांत्वना दी। एग्जीक्यूटनर, ए पर्सन हु हैज़ द जॉब ऑफ किलिंग क्रिमिनल्स, जल्लाद। समोर्नेड, सेंट फॉर, बुलाया। इनोसेंट, फ्री फ्रॉम गिल्ट, मासूम, निर्दोष। immediately, soon, at once, शीघ्र तुरंत, dragged, pulled with difficulty. अब हम कंप्रीहेंशन करेंगे. क्वेश्चन 1, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट डिड द पीपल बिलीव अबाउट हीराचंद. इसका आंसर लिखेंगे हम. पीपल बिलीव दैट he who saw Hirachand's face early in the morning would go without food that day. Question 2, what made Akbar feel sick. Answer, long time taken to get meal ready made Akbar feel sick. Question 3, why was Akbar angry with Hirachand. Answer, Akbar was very angry with Hirachand because he could not get any food all day long as he had seen Hirachand's face early in the morning. Question 4, what punishment was given to Hirachand. Do you think it was right. Answer, Hirachand was given death sentence. It was not right. Question 5, who saved Hirachand. Answer, Birbal saved Hirachand. Second, complete the following sentence by choosing the appropriate option. Number 1, the doctor was called. इसमें आएगा B, to examine the queen. Question 2, Akbar ordered a fresh meal because. इसमें भी B आएगा, his meal has got cold. 3, Akbar fell ill because. A आएगा इसमें, he had not eaten anything the whole morning. Number 4, Hirachand's last wish was. इसका आएगा B, to see Akbar. Vocabulary. Read the following sentence from the story. It was said that anyone who saw his face would go without food that day. In the sentence, the word in bold, anyone and without are formed by joined two words, any plus one, anyone, with plus out, without. These are called compound words. Now form compound words by using words from the box. Wash, made, wide, table, word, day, hood, things and lines. तो इसमें पहले में देखिए headlines, password, whitewash, homemade, childhood, timetable, worldwide, anything and everyday. Number 2, make as many compound words as you can be combining words from the box. One has been done for you. News, mother, grand, brush, any ever, some talk, daughter, time, keyboard, wear, one paper, truth, how, thing, father and son. इसके बनेंगे न्यूज़पेपर, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, someone, toothbrush, newspaper, somehow, anyone, talk time, grandson, anything, somewhere. Number 3, read the following words: disobey, impossible and unlucky. They begin with prefix dish, im and un, as shown below. Disobey, impossible and unlucky. Make the opposite of the following words by editing appropriate prefix. Put them in the appropriate columns. Connect, balance, proper, able, honest, perfect, happy, clean, mortal, grace, no, mortal and kind appear. इसका डिस में आएगा डिसकनेक्ट, डिसऑनेस्ट, डिसग्रेस, डिसअपियर. IM में आएगा इम्प्रॉपर, इमोर्टल, इम्बैलेंस, इम्परफेक्ट. अन में आएगा अनहैप्पी, अननोन, अनकाइंड एंड अनेबल, अनक्लीन. Here are some more prefixes that are used to make opposites in IR, IL. Example: incorrect, incomplete, invisible. Irregular, irresponsible, irrelevant. Illegal, illiterate and illegible. Fill in the blanks with the opposite from the objectives given in the bracket. Number 1, Mandeep is weak in studies because he and irregular in the class. Number 2, don't leave your work incomplete. 3, the teacher advised the child to improve his writing because it was illegible. 4, no one trusts a dishonest person. 5. I am unable to come to school today because of my sickness. 6. If you work hard, nothing is impossible. Next. 4. Write word with the same sound but different in the meaning and spelling. One has been done for you. Whole, birth, fair, know, buy, new, see, heal, made, sent, would, of, so, made and sell. इनकी स्पेलिंग अलग है लेकिन बोलने में ये एक जैसे सुनाई देते हैं. अब है ग्रामर. रीड द सेंटेंस. लेट्स कॉल बीरबल. Here let's has been used a make of suggestion that they should call Birbal. Let's is always followed by a verb in the first form in the above example. Let's followed by the verb called so we can have. Let's play to express the suggestion to play. Let's work to express the suggestion to work. Read the following statement, then fill in the gap with the suggestion. Use the chunk let's. For example, Rajesh suggests to Rohit that they should go for a picnic. इसको हम लिखेंगे He says to Rohit, let's go for a picnic. 2. Mala suggests to her mother that they should go to market. She says to her mother, let's buy new furniture. 3. Ravi proposes to his friend that they should plant tree. He says to his friend, let's us plant tree. 4. Mary wants to prepare dinner with Tom. She says to Tom, let's prepare dinner. 5. Javed wants to watch a movie with his friend. He says to his friend, let's watch a movie. Number 6. Tara wants to play in the rain with her friend. She says to her friends, let's play in the rain. Second, make sentences uses the chunk let's and the verb given in the bracket. One has been done for you. Number 1. It is morning. Let's go for a walk. Number 2. The sun has set. Let's go home. Number 3. The train is whistling. Let's run to station. Number 4. The examination is drawing near. Let's work hard. Number 5. It is fine day. Let's enjoy. Number 6. It's going to train. Let's return home. Put the spoken word in inverted commas. 1. The teacher said sit down. 2. The boy said I can run faster than any other boy. Number 3. Let's hide behind the bushes, said Ramesh. Number 4. My father will go to Mumbai tomorrow, said he. Number 5. Lovely fresh cabbage, shouted the man. आगे है listening and speaking. Work in pair and role play the conversation between Shalu and Sheila. Shalu, hello Sheila. You are looking very happy today. Sheila, oh yes, you see I have something in my hand. Can you guess what it is? Shalu, let me try. It should be difficult for me. Is it something eat? Sheila, no. Shalu, then it should be a news sharpener. Sheila, you will have to guess again. Shalu, please don't puzzle me anymore. Tell me now quickly. Sheila, it's mean you have failed. Okay, let me show it to you. Shalu, it's locket. Sheila, yes, it is locket. It has magical power. Now I will always top the class. Won't need to study. Shalu, why my teacher told us that only hard work makes us successful. I do not think that this locket will help you. You better work hard rather than depend on luck. Sheila, yes, I agree with you. I did follow your advice and work hard. Writing. Akbar fell sick because he did not eat on time. Write in your notebook some do and does not forgot eating habits. One has been done for you. तो पहले हम जो डू वाली हैं उसे करेंगे. नंबर 1, ऑलवेज वॉश योर हैंड बिफोर ईटिंग एनीथिंग. नंबर 2, chew the food well. Number 3, eat food at proper time. Number 4, always eat fresh food. Number 5, avoid eating sweets. अब जो हमें नहीं करना है उसका don't overeat, never gulp down your food, do not on chewing something all the day long, do not eat uncovered or discarded food, do not forget to brush your teeth after dinner. Second, People write a diary for the sum of the following reasons: to develop creativity, to develop new ideas, thoughts, to keep themselves emotionally healthy, to keep a record of what happened and when. Write a diary of what all happened to you during the last 24 hours. You may focus on the following point: what you did, whom you met, what happened and when. इसमें हम लिखेंगे Tuesday the 10th March, I got up late and rushed to school without taking my breakfast. On the way I met Mohan, an old friend of mine. He had lost his purse and needed some money to hire a rickshaw. Soon I saw my uncle going to his shop. I requested him to give Mohan 10 rupees. Mohan thanked me and my uncle, but I was fined rupees 5 for being late for school. आगे follower tells students that some of the pupils believe that their work will not get done if a cat crosses their way or somebody sneezes when they are about to leave for work. These are baseless beliefs because they are not based on any sound reasons. Such beliefs are called superstitions. Ask your parents and grandparents to narrate some stories. Folk talk about superstitions. Share these stories with your classmates. Make a list of such stories narrated in the class. तो यहाँ पर आपको अपने माता पिता से और दादा दादी से ऐसी कहानियों के बारे में पूछना है और क्लास में डिस्कस करना है। अब यहाँ पर हम असेसमेंट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं। आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन। ए, व्हाट डज द भगवद गीता टीच अस? इसका आंसर हम लिखेंगे द भगवद गीता टीच अस दैट वी शुड डू नॉट ड्यूटी विदाउट वरिंग अबाउट द रिजल्ट। बी, वेयर डिड लॉर्ड कृष्णा प्रीच अर्जुन द भगवद गीता? आंसर, लॉर्ड कृष्णा प्रीच्ड अर्जुना द भगवद गीता अंडर द होली पीपल ट्री एट ज्योतिसर। सी, what did the old woman get one day? Answer, the old woman got a letter from her son one day. D, what thing did the peddler sell? Answer, the peddler sold earthen pots. E, what did people believe about Hira Chand? Answer, people believed that he who saw Hira Chand's face early in the morning would go without food that day. F, who saved Hira Chand? Answer, Birbal saved Hira Chand. Number 2, write opposites of the following words by using prefix. Connect, disconnect, balance, imbalance, able, unable, kind, unkind, happy, unhappy, perfect, imperfect, know, unknown, moral, mortal, immortal. Question 3, read the descriptions and guess the name of the following person. 1, a person who acts in a play or film. Actor. Number 2, a person who clicks photographs. Photographers. Number 3, a person who mends shoes. Cobbler. Number 4, a person who treats patients. Doctor. Number 4, circle adjective in the following paragraphs. It was a beautiful morning. इसमें ब्यूटीफुल पर सर्कल लगाएंगे। आफ्टर अटेंडिंग द मॉर्निंग असेंबली, मॉर्निंग में लगाएंगे। While we were sitting in the classroom, our class teacher entered with smiling face. Smiling पर लगाएंगे। All of us became attentive and looked curiously toward him. इसने attentive पर लगाएंगे। He said, here is a piece of good news for all of you. इसमें good पर लगाएंगे। This Sunday we are going to visit Kurukshetra. On hearing this, the whole class clapped cheerfully. Number 5, you may have visited some place with member of your family. Write a description of your visit focusing on the following points. When you went, vehicle used, seen on the way, things you saw after reaching there. इसमें हम लिखेंगे Last Sunday I went to see the Baisakhi fair with my family. We went by Tanga. We met many people on the way. They were dancing and singing. It was 7 when we reached the spot. There was a great rush. People were dressed in their best. Many shops had been set up. The ladies were standing at the bangles box. They were buying bangles. The children were buying toys. Bhangra parties started singing folk song. A juggler was showing his feats. Many people gathered around him. Children were enjoying rides in the merry-go-rounds. We had a very happy time in the fair. अब हम इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1 है, नेम द मर्चेंट हु लिव्ड इन दिल्ली। इसका सही आंसर होगा बी, हीराचंद। क्वेश्चन 2, व्हाट वाज द थॉट ऑफ पीपल अबाउट हीराचंद। इसका आंसर होगा सी, ही वाज अनलकी। क्वेश्चन 3, हु हर्ड अबाउट हीराचंद। ए अकबर, बी बीरबल, सी पीपल, डी गार्ड। इसका सही आंसर है ए, अकबर। क्वेश्चन 4, व्हेन वाज हीराचंद बॉट टू अकबर। ए व्हेन ही वाज ऑन द वे ऑफ द डाइनिंग रूम, बी व्हेन ही वाज ऑन द वे ऑफ ड्राइंग रूम, सी व्हेन ही वाज ऑन द वे ऑफ बेडरूम, डी व्हेन ही वाज ऑन द वे ऑफ लिविंग रूम। इसका सही आंसर है ए। Question 5. What did the messenger came to stay at the same time? A. Queen was happy. B. Queen was ill. C. Queen was querulous. D. Queen was healthy. इसका सही आंसर है B. Queen was ill. Question 6. How did Akbar did spend his morning? A. In the darbar. B. In the bedroom. C. In the living room. D. In the garden. इसका सही आंसर है B. In the bedroom. Question 7. Why did Akbar feel sick? A. Due to tension. B. Due to starvation. C. Due to illness. D. Due to हीराचंद। इसका सही आंसर है B. Question 8. What did the royal doctor advise to Akbar? A. Take rest. B. Do not eat anything. C. Both. A or B. D. All of these. इसका सही आंसर है C. यहाँ पर निशान लगा देती हूँ मैं। इसका सही आंसर सी, रेस्ट करना है और कुछ भी खाना नहीं है। क्वेश्चन 9, व्हाट डिड अकबर रिप्लाई टू डॉक्टर। ए. आई हैव ईटन। बी. आई हैव नॉट ईटन। सी. आई हैव फुल स्टमच। डी. ऑल ऑफ दीज। इसका सही आंसर है बी, आई हैव नॉट ईटन। क्वेश्चन 10, हुज फेस डिड अकबर सी इन द मॉर्निंग। ए. पीरचंद। बी. हीराचंद। सी. हीरालाल। डी. हीरामल। इसका सही आंसर बी, हीराचंद। क्वेश्चन 11, वाई did Akbar sentence Hirachand to death? A. He was sad. B. He made him suffer. C. He made him cruel. D. He made him laugh. इसका सही आंसर B. He made him suffer. तो यहाँ पर हमारी ये वीडियो समाप्त होती है। अगली वीडियो में मैं आपको लेसन 13 ए लेसन फॉर माई टीचर पार्ट को पढ़ाऊँगी। इसका हिंदी ट्रांसलेट, क्वेश्चन आंसर और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाऊँगी। आपको मेरी ये वीडियो कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।